Welcome. Today I'll be discussing the best productivity skills book you need to get. Okay? There are some skills you need to have as an individual that is existing in our world today. These are very fundamental. Okay? And some time ago, I was going through Amazon to make some purchases and I got across this book and I bought it. Okay? So it explains almost everything you need in the area of digital skills to be productive. And that book is written by Caspar B. Langman. So we have a link for you to go make purchase at the end of this video. It will be in the description, okay? And there are some basic areas covered in this book. It contains six different books in just one single book. So it's a powerful thing you need to get to upscale your skill. Okay, and some of these skills when you get them you may not even need these 9 to 5 jobs in our world of today. Okay, because it covers almost everything you need to know. Even if you want to still get the 9 to 5 job, maybe you like that skill will help you to be more productive even as you work. So let's get to Amazon for you to see the book I'm talking about. Okay, and here is the book. It reads Students Guide to Digital Skills. Okay. So though it targeted to students, but you can still be his student. So it's nothing bad there. Okay. And here it says 6 books in one, meaning that it has a lot to offer to you. And let me highlight on some points discussed in this book. The first book is on Students Guide to Digital Skills. Here, the author explains why you need digital skills because it will make you stand out. And most times, with the digital skills, you can make extra money for yourself. You may not even need any person to employ you because you possess a skill that is on high demand. And everything goes in line with the 21st century. So he discussed all these skills that are in demand in this our world of 21st century. Okay, it's not about skills that are out of date. These are skills that are still on demand. Okay, the book number 2 is on graphic designs. Okay, here the author details out the fundamental information on graphics design and also walks you through on how to create some stunning designs. Okay, he discusses the tools you need and he also goes ahead and explains how you can make money from these designs. Okay, so once you possess the skills and can create some stunning designs, you are good. He explains some platforms you can go for jobs, and people will come for you to create some great designs for them. Apart from that, you can even start from your neighbors. So there are people that every day they need some design projects to be completed for them. And when you learn how to do it from Casper's book, you're good. Book number 3 contained in this book is on audiobook narration. This favors mostly the Americans and the Europeans because they are the people that do most of the narration jobs. Here, the author talks about the tools you need and how to gain confidence and the platforms to go for you to market your skills. Okay? He also highlights that if you're a student, you can be doing this job as part time to support your schooling. The book number 4 is very classy, and that is what I'm doing on this platform. And that is on how to manage YouTube channel and make money from it. Take for example, you own a YouTube channel and every month you make nothing less than $20,000. Do you still need a 9 to 5 job? No, you don't need that. So he explains the skills you need to gain to be able to win on the platform as a content creator. Also, he explains how you can even make money even before YouTube monetize your content. So he explains a lot how to get subscribers from shorts and the rest. So if you want to be making your own personal money, you need this book because it will teach you a lot about YouTube, the tools you need, and how to succeed. He also one of the things he highlights in the book is being patient. So many people have lost out of the game because they're impatient in YouTube content creation. But this says something once you're patient and you're consistent and you choose your niche rightly, you will make it. And he highlights something there. He said that there are some niches that make money more than the others, that have high CPN. So go gain that knowledge from the book. Okay. In book number 5, the author speaks about Microsoft Word, how you can create some stunning documents, and how you can easily create some other designs from Word documents. You get that? So it teaches you step by step on this skill that is being demanded by so many companies. It even talks about how you can make money from your Word document skills. Okay? If you are aiming to gain a job in some companies will not hire you when you don't have the knowledge and the skill on how to use Microsoft Word processor. So when you learn it from here, from this book, you know how you can apply it in life. Okay? Okay, in book number 6, which is the last book of the book, okay? The author talks about Microsoft Excel. It's still another basic skill you need in our world today, okay? If you're a prospective employee, you need Microsoft Excel skill for data analysis, for plotting of graph, and for charts, and for calculations as well. So he detailed out in step on how you can use this application effectively. And not only that, how you can make money from it. So the book covers a lot, and I feel you need it. Don't forget the link to the book is in the description. So make a purchase. So let's get down and see some designs here. These are some highlights, A plus content of the book. Okay, here in the A plus content section, that's from the publisher, he explains something. He highlights some points you need to get from the book, some things you need to get from the book. He said, learn how to balance your academic performance with digital skills and become more productive. It's all about productivity, okay? Somebody that has good skill that is selling, that is making him money, is already productive. So learn it from this book, okay? It's a wonderful design. Okay, the number 2 highlight is build your brand that will make you more money in future while studying. Okay, whether you're studying or not, the message here is build your brand. Some people that have built their brand on YouTube and they are making much money, nothing less than $30,000 monthly. Some people have built their brand in graphic design and they're creating good designs and are being paid by clients from different parts of the world. Huge amount of money for that matter. Okay. He also highlights, I forgot to talk about something. In that book, he highlights about video editing. So if you're demanding for skills on how to do video editing, he covers that. So there are a lot of information in the book. Here he says, learn the digital skills that matter in the 21st century. As I said before, is not outdated skills. These are basic skills, basic on demand skills, some fundamental on demand skills in our 21st century. Okay, here he highlights some things. Learn to become a balanced student, 262 images and illustrations to help you learn everything. It's not about text, it's not about theory. Here now, he has enough images to put you through, enough pictures that will explain things to you. So you need this book, okay? He said the number three here, it says YouTube secrets, graphic design, and video editing. So he's highlighting the points of what he discussed in the book. All right. Here is a Microsoft 365 programs, which I explained are mainly Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. So you need this book, go and purchase it and learn all the skills you need to succeed. Okay, all the digital skills, mainly digital skills, because that is what this channel talks about. That is what I teach in this channel. Here I talk about Android phone usage, I talk about iPhone, I talk about how to use computer, I talk about how to use iPhone, I talk about some technology stuffs. Okay, so that is what I discuss in this channel. That is what I teach you how to do in this channel, and this book is in line with that, and that is why I'm recommending it to you. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to this channel so that anytime I publish technology videos, you will get notifications on that. Okay, you need to grow in tech, so learn more in tech. Okay, Hit the like button for me and leave a comment. See you next time.